Guten Tag, meine Freunde. So today, as you can see, we're cooking today. What we're gonna cook is Pfannkuchen mit Zucker und Zimt, which means uh, pancakes with sugar and cinnamon. So as you can see, these are our ingredients. We got our all-purpose flour, 200 grams. Our salt, one half teaspoon of salt, one half teaspoon of cinnamon, two teaspoon tablespoon of unsalted butter. It's still melting, but yeah. I also got our baking powder, three and one half teaspoon, and this is our confectionery sugar, and this is our buttermilk. I mean our whole milk. This is 265 milliliters, and this is our large egg. So now, these are our equipments for cooking. This is our whisk, our medium bowl, our small bowl, and our medium bowl. And this is our cooking skillet. This is our spatula. So now we're gonna mix our dry ingredients. So first we'll grab our all-purpose flour. We're gonna put it right here. Alright, make sure nothing is left. Next, we're gonna add our baking powder. Alright. Next, we're gonna add our salt. And our ground cinnamon. Next, we're gonna mix them together. We're gonna properly mix them so that they're gonna stick into the batter. Alright, that should be right. So what's the purpose of the whisking is that in order for all the dry ingredients to be well, the taste will be in the batter itself. We're gonna whisk it so that it's gonna feel that taste, so that nothing is gonna be over or under cooked. So now this is our dry ingredients. Next, we're gonna prepare our wet ingredients. So we got our bowl. We're gonna add our milk. By the way, this is a whole milk. This is a traditional recipe, so we are required to do whole milk. Now we're gonna add our large egg. Nice. Next, our 2 tablespoon butter. Unsalted butter. And we're gonna whisk them together. We're gonna wait until the butter dissolves. The butter actually, like, it has no taste difference, but the only thing is, like, it makes the pancake more like not become sticky. Oh shoot! All right. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna put the butter inside. We're gonna mix them together. So Add this into here carefully. Alright, now we're gonna whisk it continuously. And also be careful as to not spill it all out. Oh, it's so heavy. Really hard, kind of sticky. So basically what we're gonna do until you see all those lumps around here? Yeah, we're gonna get rid of them by mixing. Alright, so now our butter is ready. In our pan, we're gonna grab our knife, be careful with knives. And also wash your hands, I already did a while ago. So take this, put it right here. We're gonna grease our pan. In 2 minutes.
Pancake edition.
Ayan, para presentation. Sunod. Oh, now this is our finished product. But before we call it finished, we're gonna add our confectionery sugar. And don't worry, I washed my hands and dried it. Alright. Now, this is a German delicacy, Pannkuchen mit Zucker und Zimt. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And auf Wiedersehen. Prost.